Yo, what's going on? Jay Cobb here. So, what's up, guys? Jermaine Cobbins, for those that don't know, I am. I'm the founder of the Rich Entrepreneurs Mastermind Group, as well as Rich Entrepreneurs itself. So, for those that are tuning in for the very first time, say what's up. All right, maybe you're catching this recording, depending on where you're watching this video at. There should be some links or something around this video where you guys can connect with me personally. And yeah, we're going to dive into basically how to structure the front end and the back end of your business. Okay, so right now, if you're watching this video, more than likely you have some type of home-based business, network marketing business, promoting some type of affiliate program. Maybe you have like an e-commerce or Shopify store, something you're promoting online, and yet some people really don't understand like how personal branding works. Okay, and yes, even with I've seen people set their business up this way with Shopify stores. A lot of people, they do drive traffic right to their storefront, but yes, you can still use the same formula that you would use in any type of marketing business, affiliate program, whatever the case may be. So yeah, we're gonna rock this thing, guys. I'm gonna share my screen in just a second, and we're gonna rock this out. All right, so before we get started, you may see people hopping in occasionally. All right, I'm doing this training right now in one of my private mastermind groups, so people will potentially possibly hop on from time to time. But we're gonna rock this thing out. All right, and like I said, there should be some type of links around this video. That way, if you guys want to connect with me personally, or something I got very special for you guys on the very end of this actual training that literally is going to help you to take your business to the next level. All right, so let me go ahead and get my screen shared out real quick. All right, so let me get this out the way. So by the way, this is my group here, guys, Rich Entrepreneurs Mastermind. All right, and like I said, if you're watching this video somewhere, of course, this is a free community for like-minded entrepreneurs, people that want to get better at entrepreneur. These are the trainings that we do every Thursday. And like I say, guys, you can get your questions answered live, and we're going to rock this thing out. All right, so this is what we're going to talk about today. All right, we're going to talk about how not to structure your business on the front end. All right, so let me see here. All right, cool. All right, so here's the deal. Let me just make sure. All right, cool. All right, so this is how not to structure the front end of your business. All right, I'm all about using either my whiteboard or using some type of animation to really help bring home the visual for what I'm trying to share with you guys. All right, so as you can see, the phone basically represents where you're sharing your link, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, wherever it is, wherever you're promoting your product or services at. That's basically what I'm insinuating here. All right. However, most people that come into business, and guys, I was one of these people too. Most people come into business, what they do is whenever they make a post or talk about their business or put a link up, whether you're connected with someone in Messenger, it doesn't matter. When you share that link, most people send their prospect or potential prospect to the company website. All right. Now, the company website can have something like the name of your company. It could be a place where people can purchase products, or it can just have like your contact information, right? I've seen company replicated websites that even have the prices on the website, right? But here's the danger with this. This is why you don't want to structure your business this way, because when you send traffic to this website, first of all, you have no way to track the analytics. Okay, you don't know how much traffic is going there. In most cases, these people don't even buy, so you don't even know what turned them away. You don't know even how to keep track of who that person was, right? Even if you wanted to get back in front of that person, let's say a month from now, or 3 months from now, or hell, even a year from now, right? The idea is when you send traffic directly to your company website, you lose so much power over your business. Right now, if this is how you're probably promoting your business right now, continue watching. All right, because this is how you should not want to set your business up. Okay, so what you want to have in place, guys, I'm pretty sure some of you guys have heard of this before. Maybe some of you haven't. All right, but you want to have a capture page. All right, so basically this is the same thing from the first slide, but now I have right here in the middle a capture page. Okay, this capture page can be set up in so many ways, okay? This capture page can give some type of free resource, some type of free offer. This capture page can actually give a training of some sort. I've seen people use images. I've seen people use video on the front end. Like, it doesn't really matter. The idea is that on your actual offer or resource page or your capture page, the idea is that it's something that's valuable, that's incongruent with solving a problem that your product or services actually, solves, right? So the idea is, when you put that link out there on social media, regardless of where it's at, the idea is you want to drive people to this capture page. Why do you want to drive people to this capture page, right? First of all, if you created this capture page, you have the analytics, right? I know there are a ton of different softwares and things like that that will allow you to use certain pre-made capture pages, right? A lot of those things, they still don't let you get the analytics. They may allow you to see how many people visited that page, but it really doesn't give you any more detail other than that, right? A lot of times you don't even have the ability to retarget those people, which, we won't talk about in this training. But if you ever wanted to retarget an ad or put something back in front of those people that have landed on that page and haven't opted in, then a lot of those softwares, they don't give you that option, right? However, the purpose of that capture page is to get that person name and email address. All right. Now, this is where you begin to build your email list, right? But however, guys, when you capture that person's email address and their name, what happens then, you can redirect them over to your company website, all right? Whether it's a blog site, maybe, you have an About Me section. You may have a video stating how to use the product. You may have a video with some testimonials. You may have a product page where they can actually buy, look around at products, and you may have a sales page driving them straight to, how to buy the actual product. But the idea is you want to begin structuring your business to where you have some type of free offer, some type of resource, or some type of training in play before sending people straight to your company replicated site. All right. So here is the bread and butter, guys. All right. Here's the real reason why you're watching this training. So basically, the top part of this is what we just looked at. Okay. Same thing. Having your link out there on your social media platform, having your free offer, your resource, or some type of training in place on a capture page. And on the back end of that capture page, of course, whether you're driving that person to that training, to that resource, to that free offer, whatever it is, or to that website or sales page, now what happens is when you actually capture that person's name and email, you actually begin to build your email list, which is, you see the arrow driving right under the capture page, all right? This is something that's happening in the back end, okay? By building this email list, you can later market to these people, okay? You can build more closer relationships with these people. You can ask questions. You can find their pain points and their problems, right? You can really do some pretty cool things depending on how you got that person to your list, okay? And as well, those 5 email squares that you see there, those are what we like to call a campaign, all right? Some people like to say a sequence. Basically what that is, these are automated emails that go out, let's just say day 1 through 5, or let's say that, every other day. It doesn't matter. You can set it up to go out, once a week. The idea is setting your business up, guys, not only on the front end like this, having some type of capture page where you can capture people's information, but also having the back end of your business set up where you have a autoresponder that's basically keeping track of all your leads, meaning the people that give you their name and email, as well as having some type of sequence on the back end. And you can put whatever you want in this sequence, but the idea is you're staying in front of that person over the course of a week or every 2 weeks or possibly a month. You can stretch these out as long as you want. You can have as many offers as you want. You can build your list as big as you want. And the power behind your list, guys, is that, let's say, Facebook goes away. Let's say Instagram goes away. Let's say all these platforms that we're currently using today goes away. Well, if you've been building an email list, let's say over the past 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, Well, guess what? Now you can just email that list and say, hey, I'm using this platform, right? And, you know, you've probably heard people say, print like a money printing machine. Well, this is what they're talking about. I've heard so many success stories of people basically building their email list, and their email list has bailed them out from near bankruptcy, right? Their business was almost about to go under, but yet they was able to pitch some type of product or service or something to their email list. Well, guess what? If you have a list of, 50,000 people, right? And let's say you have a $1 offer, well, guess what? What if half of those people buy? Well, that's a $25,000 paycheck, right? That's a $25,000 commission that you made basically by promoting, a $1 item to a list of 50,000 people that know, like, and trust you. So the power really, guys, is in the list, man. So this is the thing, man. I just wanted to like put that together and really give you guys a visual, okay? So let me ask you, like, how would you like to set all of this up for your business using just one tool? All right. Now, yes, there are a ton of tools out there, guys. And here's what I look for, because I think about when I come into this industry that, you want to keep your costs down, guys. All right. You want to keep your costs down, and you want to be able to basically have your income exceed your expenses. But yet, if you have tools out there that's, costing you a few $100 per month, if you don't make sales, guess what? You got to go into your pocket. But here's this tool, guys, that literally, I actually love it. Okay, the people that are using this tool, they absolutely love it, right? And if you're watching this video, and depending on when you're watching this video, if you're in the group, right, if you're in my if you're in my Rich Entrepreneurs Mastermind group, then the link should be in the pinned post, okay? Also, after this actual training, I will be putting this link in our group chat if you're not, of course, in our group, as well as if you're watching this maybe on YouTube or maybe crossing this on Facebook somewhere, the link should be, in the description above or below. But for those that want to go, skip all of that, you can just simply go to the bit.ly link, Cobb Business Builder, all right? It's a 7-day trial, guys, all right? 7 days. You don't have to worry about putting your credit card in, so you don't have to have this surprise expense at the end of 7 days. Guys, you can literally dive into this thing, and within 7 days, you're going to be like, man, you know what? I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? So since we were just talking about funnels, I want to share one thing that this actual tool provides. All right, check this out. All right, so keep in mind, don't let this overwhelm you. All right, don't let this overwhelm you. All right, let me see here. Was that dope or what? Was that dope or what? All right, so let me get my windows set up. See Miss Kale in the building. All right, let me see. I'm gonna hop over here, get my window open up. All right, so about to share this screen one more time. All right, so here we go. All right, so this tool, guys, is Builderall. All right, check this out, man. This tool at the time of this video is only $50 a month. All right, and I know there are tools out there, some really good tools that really, I mean, this thing here gives them a run for their money, right? But those tools can be a bit expensive. I talked about having your autoresponder, building your funnels, and so many, like your capture pages, everything that I just shared, you can do that and more with this tool, all right? So what I wanted to share with you guys in this is this thing here called the Canvas Funnel Builder, okay? There are so many tools in this thing, like I don't even use all the tools that this actual platform provides. But this Canvas Funnel Builder is basically, guys, a way for you to structure out a template for your funnels. It's so you can see the flow of your funnels. And with everything, guys, you actually have a tutorial video. Like if you actually click tutorial here, this video here will pop up, and I got this open over here. And basically this is the video. All right, so a little 9-minute video. I will link this video in the comments below, as well as the link to partner up with me. If you guys partner with me, I will add you to my private group. And here's the power behind partnering up with me. Partnering up with me is that I'm going to help shorten that learning curve. Okay, guys, anything new can be, in some cases a little frustrating, a little intimidating, but I'm telling you, I take you literally hand in hand and show you how to basically use this tool, not only for your primary business, but if you're having some type of affiliate program, I can also show you how to make money by helping your local businesses by using this platform, guys. So I mean, it's power in this thing. But there's this 9-minute video, and as you can see, kind of give you this template of how to structure your actual funnels. And this video gives a pretty good, explanation of how to use this, as well as how you go into your editor and make all your changes. So I mean, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope, man. But other than that, guys, there should be a link to the actual 7-day trial, as well as a link to that video of basically showing you the template of that funnel canvas. I mean, it's pretty dope. All right. So I hope you guys got value, man. Be sure to, connect with me. The links will be, like I said, in the pin post or in the group chat. Or if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, somewhere else, the link should be above or below. And I love to, work with you guys. Other than that, hope you guys got value. Be sure to share this video out. All right. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.